The morning sunrise at Similipal Eco Retreat is absolutely breathtaking. Waking up to such a stunning view truly makes the day special. Discover the serene beauty of Similipal Eco Retreat, where nature and comfort harmoniously blend. Nestled amidst the lush greenery of Similipal National Park, our charming cottages offer a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Each cottage is thoughtfully designed with eco-friendly materials, providing modern amenities while allowing you to connect with the tranquil surroundings. Camping facilities are available at Similipal Nature Retreat. Wake up to the sounds of chirping birds and the gentle rustle of leaves, and spend your days exploring scenic trails, engaging with local culture, or simply unwinding in nature's embrace. Experience the perfect getaway at Similipal Eco Retreat, where every moment is a step towards rejuvenation. Serenity waterfall in Similipal is a stunning natural attraction, cascading down rocky cliffs surrounded by lush greenery. It offers a tranquil atmosphere, perfect for hiking, relaxation, and enjoying the beauty of nature. Fishing with the local children at Serenity waterfall surrounded by nature. Lulung, nestled in Similipal, showcases breathtaking natural beauty with its lush greenery, vibrant wildlife, and serene landscapes. The cascading waterfalls and tranquil rivers create a peaceful atmosphere, making it a perfect haven for nature lover. After visiting Serenity and Lulung, it was time for lunch as we headed back to Similipal Nature Retreat. After a fulfilling morning, we set off to Baldiha Dam, eager to explore its tranquil waters and scenic surroundings, ready for another adventure in the beauty of nature. The weather turned wild, and the scenery was truly breathtaking. At night, the famous bamboo chicken was cooked at Similipal Nature Retreat, and the preparation process was truly impressive. Good night. If you're considering a visit, it's a fantastic choice for all nature lovers.